Sperm is a male gamete and it possesses three basic parts. One is a head having nucleus, acrosome, midpiece, and a long tail. Sperm is a motile and it moves toward the ovum in the human female reproductive structure. Question arises how sperms are formed. The process of formation of sperm is called as spermatogenesis. Is Professor G.M. Babar, and today we learn about spermatogenesis. Just have a glance. We learned earlier, as we learned in previous article about anatomy of male reproductive structure. There is present a penis. Here is present some other accessory structures, like there is present scrotum, there is present testes, there is present urethra or urinogenital duct. From here start urinogenital duct. It opens into the urinary bladder. There is present male testicles or testes, and here is present epididymis, and here is very important vas deferens, and then it enter into the urinary bladder. Here is present bulbourethral gland. There is present also prostate gland. There is present prostate gland. There is present seminal vesicle, and here is present sperm duct, and then it's enter into the urinogenital duct. Here is present our backbone, and here is present anus. Here is a vertebral column. So it is male reproductive structure. Where is formed sperms? Sperms are formed in testicles, singular testis. Here is present different ducts. In testicles, there is present very important structures called as lobules. Their number is 200 to 250 in a male, and then they form retitesti, and here is present epididymis, and this is the epididymis. If you have a glance in lobules, there are present seminiferous tubule. In a lobule, there is present 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules. These are very important structure. In seminiferous tubules, there is formed the process of spermatogenesis. How it occurs? Just have a glance. We are going to take a transverse section of seminiferous tubule, and here we see different cells, like here is present Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells are also longitudinal cells, and there is present interstitial cells. Interstitial cells are also called Leydig cells. As we learn in hormonal regulation of male reproductive structure, there are present two basic hormones. One is luteinizing hormone and other is called as follicle stimulating hormone. These hormones effect on Sertoli cell and Leydig cell or interstitial cells. Luteinizing hormone have directly effect on Sertoli cell and start producing testosterone, the male hormone, and follicle stimulating hormone effect on Sertoli cell and start secreting a protein ABP, androgen binding protein. अब यहां होने क्या जा रहा है? There is a basic cell. The cell is called as primordial germ cell. Primordial germ cell is 2n diploid in nature. It divides by mitosis to produce a cell which is called as spermatogonial stem cell. Again, it is 2n because there occur mitosis. These spermatogonial cells by mitosis produce spermatogonium, another cell. Because again occur here mitosis, it is again 2n. Spermatogonium again divided by mitosis to produce another cell which is called as primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte divided by meiosis 1 to produce secondary spermatocyte. Now secondary spermatocytes are haploid. One primary spermatocyte produces two secondary spermatocytes, and one secondary spermatocyte produces two spermatids by meiosis 2. And here is occur meiosis 2. These spermatids differentiate by a process of differentiation into sperm. These all processes occur into the seminiferous tubules. Here is primordial cell. It is 2n in nature. It divided by mitosis to form spermatogonial stem cell 2n. Then again mitosis, and here occur we get a spermatogonium. Spermatogonium divided by mitosis. ये सारा माइटोसिस चल रहा है, इसलिए इनमें नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम 2n है. And we get primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte meiosis 1 से गुजरा और इसने दो सेल्स बना दिए. It produced two cells with 1n haploid, and then they again divided by meiosis 2 and produce four spermatids, and these spermatids are differentiated to form sperms. So there is stem cells. These are the stem cells. These produce spermatogonium. Spermatogonium produce primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid, and here are present sperms. So this is the process which is called as spermatogenesis. My dear students, there are difference between spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process by which we get spermatid. Up to spermatids, these are up to here spermatids, it is called as spermatogenesis. But from spermatids, differentiation into the sperm is called as spermiogenesis. ये थोड़ा सा फर्क है, इसको ज़हन नशीन कीजिए. So it is all about the spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. आपकी समाअतों का शुक्रिया. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.